Hello. So I'm getting one more error in Mio while doing a stock transfer in cross company without delivery. So I'm getting this error while issuing a goods and it is related to a org structure. So I'm getting error about the company code assignment. So if I try to post or save, I'm getting error. Specification of company ID is missing for company code and your company code number. And error message is F5585. So why this error is coming? So in cross company code document entry, either both the company code in all must allocate it to a company or both should not allowed. What it mean? So it means go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. So I will open new path, new window, and I will go to SIMG. So this is because improper or structure, or maybe not improper, but both companies should have company or both should not have. So if I go in assignment, so I'm doing stock transfer order between two company code, that is IE10 and 0001. So if I go here in assign company code to a company, so see for company code 0001 there is no company assigned, but if I check for my other company code IE10, there will be a company code assigned. So that's why system won't allow to perform cross company. So either both companies should not have this company code assigned to a company or both should have. So what I will do to resolve this error, I will assign company to a company code for 0001. So for that I will define a company. So entry for 0001 is not here, so I will put entry 0001, then company name. So I will copy that company name. Anyway, I will put 0001 only, and then I will put rest of the detail like is D, language is also D, and currency EUR. Okay, I will just maintain this much here, and in next window in assignment I will assign this company. So then once definition section is done, go to assignment, then financial accounting and assign company code to a company. And here assign that company code to company. So this is the company code. Now it is assigned. So that's why we are getting this error. Now I will go back to the Migo and I will try to repost this. So I will go back, check again and save. Okay, I guess I need to go back completely and then I need to run this T code. So I will run again, Migo, then my purchase order, and here storage location item. Okay, check. Okay, so now that error is gone. So this error comes if your company code, both company code either has to be assigned to a company or both has to be not assigned. So that's how we resolve this error. So it's easy one, but because of the org structure assignment, it comes usually. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.